Here's another $10 knife I got at the survival store, liner lock, the Schrade. SCH50SCP. What a name. I don't know, oh my gosh. So there's your stats. It claims titanium coated 7CR17 high carbon stainless steel blade. Titanium coated stainless steel handle. If it's titanium, it's definitely the coating, because this is not too heavy. I mean, deep carry, tip down. Partially serrated, though the serrations aren't horrible in my opinion. They're just on the minority of, they don't take up half or more of the blade. Frame lock, good lockup, good centering, no jimping. Milled out, skeletonized type looking handle. I don't know. The packaging had no reference to this X trainer, so I don't know if that's supposed to be short for cross trainer, if I can get it focused. Yeah, oh, it doesn't even say trainer. Timer. Okay, cross timer. So I truly don't know the name of this knife, so other than the model number. But there you go, $10 knife.